Hello viewers, greetings. I am your host Kunal Nayyar, and in today's episode we will be doing an unboxing and features review of the DVEase home security camera. This camera is very versatile and comes loaded with some very useful features. I will be talking about these features in detail in this video. Let's first open the box and check out the box contents. In the box, you get the DVEase security camera, a BIS charging adapter, data cable, wall mounting kit, screwdriver, user manual and a warranty card. It comes with a 1-year standard warranty. If the customer faces any problem with the camera, he or she can contact the customer service center via email for after-sales support. Let's talk about the camera features. The first significant feature of the DVEase camera is its built-in battery with 5200 mAh capacity, which on standard usage conditions allows this camera to work for 2 months without the need to be charged. This works on a low power consumption technology on the concept of motion detection. Usually, home camera systems work on continuous power supply. If there is a power cut, the camera system stops working. DVEase camera with battery allows you to use your camera even without power supply. This is achieved by the use of the human detection sensor on DVEase, which can automatically catch anyone passing by or stopping by your camera. The moment the human detection sensor is triggered, the camera clicks a photo and records the event for 15 seconds. The battery charge working for 2 months is based on the calculation of the human detector getting activated and recording about 10 times a day. If the same happens more number of times, the battery charge will be reduced. I will show you how to set up the recording mode later along with DV apps. Please pay more attention that due to low power consumption technology design, DVEase tends to work like a video doorbell. So it cannot continuously record a video. The video can only be recorded for 15 seconds when there is a human detection. If you want continuous video recording, you have to keep the camera apps open and record manually. In terms of the specifications of the DVEase camera sensor, it comes with a high quality 1080p full HD video and a 104-degree wide angle view. It also has night vision technology with an inbuilt light sensor to detect when it is dark around. It uses IR vision technology and clearly records in low or minimal light. There are 6 IR LEDs on the DVEase camera, which gives us clear image and recording under dark conditions. The light sensor is completely automatic and the IR mode is immediately switched on in the night time, which makes this camera very useful for both indoor use as well as outdoor use like corridors, yards, warehouses, stores, apartments, etc. Another useful feature of the DVEase camera is that it comes with IP65 waterproof rating, which allows it to be used outdoors even if it's raining. The wall mounting kit included in the box helps it to be mounted anywhere on a wall and even the ceiling if it is required. It can even be mounted upside down if it is being mounted on a ceiling. The 104-degree wide view angle is also a very useful feature as it helps to cover more watchable area, which other conventional security cameras generally do not have. The next feature of the DVEase camera is that it is Wi-Fi enabled and connects to your Wi-Fi using standard 2.4 GHz network, which makes it a connected smart camera. Please check whether your Wi-Fi router at home or store has a 2.4 GHz channel or not. If not, this camera cannot be connected to your network. It also has a built-in speaker and microphone, which makes it capable of a two-way audio function, allowing you to talk to the person on the other side of the camera. This helps you to not only keep an eye on the place where you install it, but also to communicate with your family, employees, pets, or whosoever is near the camera. We will share how to connect the DVE's camera with home Wi-Fi and mobile app. Firstly, search the app DV Care on Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download it. Register with your mobile number or email ID. Click the plus symbol on the upper right corner. You will see several product listings in the app. Click Indoor and select DVE's product. Before you move to the next step, please make sure your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is working fine and the DV camera is connected either to the power source or you have fully charged the DVE's camera when using it for the first time. Follow the app instructions and move to the next step. It will auto-recognize the Wi-Fi signal. If not, then please input the Wi-Fi name and your correct password. After successfully connecting the Wi-Fi, the app will generate a QR code which has to be scanned by the camera. The camera takes 2 to 15 seconds to recognize the code and will give a notification sound. The LED light will start blinking blue. Post this, confirm the same on the app and the camera will be connected to the application. After the connection, you can start using the camera. Now let's talk about the smart features which makes this camera even more useful. The human detection sensor can give you alerts for safety on apps through message push notifications. This feature makes the camera auto catch the photo and initiate recording of 15-second videos. The photo will be pushed to your mobile phone app and the video will be recorded on an SD card which needs to be bought separately. It supports up to 128 GB of micro SD card storage which is placed right under the camera ball as you can see on your screen. If there is no card, then the storage settings will be not displayed. Let's understand the settings for the human detection sensor. Go to the DVE's camera interface, click on the upper right corner symbol, select PIR which shows you 4 settings: off, low, medium and high. If you select off, the human detection sensor is off. The camera cannot catch any photo and recording when any human is passing by or stopping by. If you select low, medium or high, the human detection is on. DVEs will catch any human photo and automatically record 15 seconds video of anyone who is passing by or stopping by near the camera. The length of the recording can be reviewed under the playback section in the camera interface. The photo catch can be reviewed in the message center, which is found on the main page in DV apps in the Me section at the lower right corner. Click it and your camera and all the photo captured can be reviewed here. There is also an option to record on cloud storage, but cloud storage is optional and sold separately. You can connect to the camera from anywhere across the world using the DVE's camera app, which lets you securely connect to your DVE's camera using iOS or Android phone. Summarizing the features review, DVE's is one of the most versatile as well as the best value for money home camera system with human detection, low power consumption, 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, IP65 waterproof rating for outdoor use, two-way audio, 104-degree field of view and 1080p high quality video. It is highly recommended if you are looking to buy a home security camera. I am leaving the best buy links in the video description. Kindly like our video and subscribe to our channel for further reviews and updates. Thank you for watching this video.